Okay, first step, you will install the spreader to the tank first. You will, 这是行啦。This is okay. This is no use. Okay. 然后 put the spreader. 你是不是得先把那个水泵的拔下来？Take out the cable of the water pump. Next step, you will connect the wire. Each color wire to connect, match the colors.
第一个用节电源。
This is for power. And blue one. Green. This is for 反缠的是吧？
这都是防反缠。
Connect them well. Okay. Okay, first step, you need to open the remote controller. Second, connect batteries. You will hear a sound. Music. It means it's successfully connected. Okay. Now you connect the APP. Okay. Here is for.
首先找到喷洒。
Switch is to showing mode. Showing mode.
就喷洒模式，一定是在喷洒模式上。
OK.
第一个是舱门开度。
Open size.
第二个是甩盘转速。
And the second is the spreading speed.
设置好以后，按 B 就可以工作了。
Open B, it will work. And close it with B.